little earlier. Now, a hospital doctor in Liverpool has invented new equipment to protect medics as they put breathing tubes into a COVID patient's throat. Dr. Sahgal he's a consultant anaesthetist, took his idea to a company in Cheshire, and within 8 days the isolation dome is undergoing trials. Mairead Smith has been talking to Neil today.
Get the equipment ready to go.
This simulation shows why this isolation dome is needed.
Yeah, patient's cooperative.
As an anaesthetist, we're the ones that go to patients that require to be intubated. So the intubation is putting the breathing tube in to help them when they're really struggling. The coronavirus infections in the past have shown that the actual process of intubation is the highest risk procedure you can do on a patient to a healthcare worker.
Dr. Sahgal came up with the idea based on other similar kit.
The idea of the dome was to provide an actual physical barrier between the patient and the healthcare workers to protect them from the infectious droplets that they produce.
This is where the isolation domes are being made. 90 orders have been processed so far for hospitals including Aintree, Chester, Wrexham and Madrid. The first dome came off the production line in just 8 days.
There's lots of people and lots of companies are trying to develop and help support the NHS through this sort of this crisis. And I think for ONFAB it is very unusual. A product for us tends to be 4 to 6 weeks in sort of development to a viable product. But yeah, to turn this around that quickly is really quite good.
Doctors say social distancing has reduced the number of people who need ventilation, but a second COVID spike could increase demand.
There is significant risk this second wave will come. So now we've learned a lot. Now we have kind of more ideas on how it's better to protect ourselves. We're just in a better position if it happens to be able to do everything much safer.
This pop-up patient dome joins the line of defence against COVID-19 in the northwest. Mairead Smith, BBC Northwest Tonight.
Like all great ideas, simple but ingenious. Now, all this week we're looking